Good morning, everyone. How are you guys this morning? I'm sorry we had to end so quickly this morning and we had to move on to a YouTube video, but just work with me as we learn to do things through the virtual world because sometimes it can be hard when we don't have internet connection and things like that. So, the first thing we're going to start off with this morning is our morning meeting. And during our morning meeting, we're going to do our greeting. We're going to do our share time. We're going to do all that this morning. Then after that, we're going to move on and we are going to do our letter lens. We're going to focus on our end lens this morning and I'm going to have you sort them. Then after that, we will go into our math. And instead of moving on to lesson 25 this morning, I'm going to give you a few more days to practice your addition fluency. Because that's very important. It's important that we know how to add and we can fluently do that. Do you know what the word fluently means, by the way? It means that we can do it quickly. We don't even have to think about it as much. So just like you can look at your sight words and you can read them, when we look at math problems, we can quickly do them. And that's what it means when I'm saying fluently do them. So we're going to work on our addition fluency some more this morning. Then we're going to move on and we may go into Storyworks, but we also may do Storyworks tomorrow, depending on the time that we have this morning, okay? So to begin with, we're going to look at our greetings. Does anybody remember what kind of greetings we have been doing over the last few months, honestly? We have been focusing on global greetings. And just recently, we went into socially distanced greetings. And this is something new that I've gone into. So we can look at the different greetings that we can use during the coronavirus because the way we greet people have changed, hasn't it? Yeah, we can't really touch. We can't really get close to someone. So we have to greet them from a distance. And there are many ways to do that. And so we're going to look at a few ways this morning. We're going to look at these socially distanced greetings. We've focused on the bow before. That's something that they do across the world globally. And you can also do it in a social distance greeting. Now that question at the end is what we're going to use in our share time this morning. For our share time, I want you to think about which greeting is your favorite, or maybe you can think of a new greeting that you like to do and that you'd like to practice. So, what you're going to do for that is you are going to take and hold on one second. Let me get this right. There we go. I would like you to share with me what your favorite way to greet someone is without touching them. It doesn't have to be what we did in this video. It can be something unique that you like to do. How do you like to greet your friends now that you can't touch them? One of them that I saw that I really liked was the foot bump. I think the foot bump's kind of a cool way that you can greet your friends. So, I'm going to send out a Nearpod link, just like we've been doing our spelling test. And this is how I'm going to take your attendance today. I'm going to see if you've done your Nearpod link. And on your link, I want you to share your favorite way to greet someone when you're socially distanced, okay? And I'd love for some of you, if you'd want to be creative, I'd like for you to think of a new way that you can greet people without touching them, okay? Now, the next thing in our in our morning meeting is our activity. And for our activity today, I have a hundreds chart. And on this hundreds chart is how many numbers? How many numbers is how many numbers is there on a hundreds chart? Right, there's 100 numbers because it's a hundreds chart. Now, on this hundreds chart, I'm going to give you some clues, and I want you to figure out the number I'm talking about. Are you ready? Okay, I'm thinking of a number that is more than 6, but less than 8. What number am I thinking of? Did you say 7? Great job. Okay. I'm thinking of a number that has 4 10s and 6 1s. 4 10s and 6 1s. Four 10s. And if I go over, I can see 6 1s. Did you say 46? Great job. I am thinking of a number between 64 and 68. So it's between 64 and 68, but it's an even number. It's not odd. Let's count that. 64, 65. Is 5 even? No. 66. Oh, that one's even, so we can keep that in our mind. 66, 67. No, and 68. So what's my number? 66. Good job. I am thinking of a number with 7 10s and 1 1. 7 10s and 1 1. If you said 71, great job. You're right. Okay? And this is our last one. I am thinking of a number with, I am thinking of a number with 2 10s and 5 ones. 2 10s and 5 ones. 2 10s. So let's count off 1 10, 2 10s, and we're going to go 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you think of 25? Great job, guys. Give yourself a big pat on the back. Good job. Now we're going to move on, and I'm going to share my morning message with you. I hate that we can't do this together this morning because I'd love for you to be able to read this with me. But this morning, I'm going to read you our morning message. Good morning, class. Today is Thursday, November 12th, 2020. It is rainy and flooding outside. Is it flooding where you live? Yeah. We will continue to learn about blends in Letterland. This week, we will focus on ending blends. We will also continue to become fluent in our addition. Our goals for this week are to learn how to identify blends when they are at the end of a word and to become fluent in solving addition problems through the number 10. We are growing each day and learning new things. Are you ready to learn? Let's start learning. Love, Miss Neal. Okay, guys, are you ready to learn? Great. Okay. Right now, while I get my screen ready, I'd like for you to get out your whiteboard. Get out your whiteboard and make sure you have your marker with you. Your whiteboard and your marker. And I'm going to call out some words for you. And I'd like for you to spell them. So, we're looking at end blends today. And so our words are going to have end blends in them. The first word I want you to spell is the word hand. And. And. Hand. And. Hand. Now, I'd like for you to circle your end blend and mark your vowel. Is your vowel short or is it long? Okay, and I'm going to say it one more time. Hand. Circle your blend and mark your vowel. Is this what you have? Great job. If you had that, good job. Okay, now we're going to move on. And my next word is end. End. I have your ending blends on the screen so you can look through them and see what ending blend you may need. End. Circle your blend and mark your vowel. Is this what you had? Great job. We're going to do a few more words. Your next word is must. st. St. Must. Circle your blend. Mark your vowel. Is this what you have? Great job. Okay, your next word is send. 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 Okay, circle your blend and mark your vowel. Your next word is desk. Desk. Do you hear how those two letters at the end blend together? Desk. Circle your blend and mark your vowel. Did you have this? Great job if you had that. Okay, just a few more words. Our next word is went. 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 She went to school. Circle your blend and mark your vowel. Do you have that? Great job. Okay, a few more words. My next word is fast. Ast. Ast. Fast. Circle your blend. Mark your vowel. You should have this. Okay? The next word I want you to do is best. B-E-S-T. Best. B-E-S-T. Best. Circle your blend and mark your vowel. B-E-S-T. Best. Good job. Okay? And your last word, already to our last word. Our last word is ask. 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 Circle your blend and mark your vowel. Do you have this? Great job. Awesome job, you guys. We went over our Letterland spelling words, and you guys used your blends in your spelling. Now we're going to move on, and these are all the words that we just went through. And you also have these words at the beginning of your agenda. So wherever we put our spelling words this past week, on this week spelling, these are the words that we wrote down at the beginning of the week. So I want you to look at those words this weekend, and I want you to really think about those words and learn how to spell them and learn the patterns in the words. Because it's not just about learning the words. We don't want to memorize the words. We want to learn the patterns in the words and how those words have end blends. And a short vowel comes before the end blend. Okay, I'm going to read this to you. And after I read this, I'd like for you to pause your video and I'd like for you to read this to yourself, okay? The new nest. The bird lands on a tree. It hops about a bit and picks a spot. It will build a nest. It lands on the grass. It takes some grass back to the tree. It lands in the dust. It takes some bent sticks to the tree. It builds its nest in the tree. At last it has the rest of its brand new nest. Pause this video and I'd like for you to read this story on your own. Now, did you notice anything when you were reading? Did you notice any patterns in words? Did you notice any end blends? What about that right there? Oh, sorry guys. I moved on past it. What about that word right there? Does that have an end blend? Erd. Erd. Yeah. What are those two letters at the end called? A double consonant. Can you find any more double consonants? Great job. Now, do you notice anything else in this? What about beginning blends? Do you see some beginning blends? That T and the R in tree. That's a beginning blend. Good job noticing things as you read. Now, we're going to move on and we're going to do a word sort. So, I would like you to open your agenda to your spelling word list. You're going to need your spelling word list, and you're also going to need your whiteboard or either a sheet of paper and a pencil, whichever one you want to use. And you are going to write, we're going to do a word sort. So, at the top of your piece of paper or your whiteboard, you're going to write ND, NT, SK, and ST. You have your spelling words with you in your agenda, and I'd like for you to organize your spelling words by the end blend. So the first word that you're going to look at, I'm going to help you with. I'm going to do this with you. The first word is hand. Hand. Now, what end blend is in the word hand? Let's look at the word hand. What end blend do you have? Circle your end blend. Oh, so that is going to go in in this list right here, because it has ND for hand. So I'm going to write hand up under the ND list. Let's try one more together. Then we're going to look at the word end. 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 What blend do you have? End. You have ND in this one too. So where is this going to go? It's going to go under ND, and we're going to write end. Now you have 8 more spelling words. I want you to pause this video and I want you to organize your words. After you have organized your words, I'd like for you to take a picture or get your mom to take a picture and send those words to me so I can see that you're doing everything you're supposed to be doing. So make sure you show me your words after you have organized your words for today. The next thing we are going to do, once you come back from your paused video, we're going to look at some math strategies. Can anybody remember some math strategies that we have used? There's a bunch of them. Some math strategies we have used would be, one would be counting on. And that's when we put the number in our head and we count up. So let's practice that. Are you ready? I'm going to give you an addition problem, and I'd like for you to count on. Okay? Your problem is 4 plus 3. Put 4 in your head and go up 3. You ready? 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now I want you to do it for the number sentence. 1 plus 3. So what number goes up in our head? The big number. So we're going to put 3 up here and we're going to add 1. 3, 4. So our answer would be 4. Good job, guys. Another strategy that we like to use in math addition is our counting sticks. Does anybody remember what our counting sticks are? It kind of seems silly to call these our counting sticks, but our fingers are our counting sticks. And so when sometimes in math we can use our fingers or we can use pictures to add. So I'm going to give you a problem and I want you to practice using your counting sticks. Your math problem is 6 plus 3. I'm going to put up 6 counting sticks and then I'm going to add 3 more. 6, 1, 2, 3. How many do I have? How many am I holding up now? 9. Good job. Okay. I'm going to give you one more math problem to use your counting sticks for. 4 plus 2. 4. And then add 2 more counting sticks. 2. How many does that equal? 6. Good job. Another strategy, a newer strategy that we have used is doubles. We can use doubles facts to help us solve bigger problems. And we can even use doubles plus 1. So in a problem that has doubles, we'll look at the doubles fact and we can automatically know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. And one reason we can do this is because of our doubles wrap. Has anybody memorized their doubles wrap? If you haven't, I want you to memorize it, and I'm going to do it with you real quick. Are you ready? Okay, I'm going to have to remember it. Can you guys help me remember my doubles wrap? Okay, let's start with 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Ooh. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Ooh. 2 plus 2 equals 4. More. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Again. And then we can do our doubles wrap all over again. This time, I want you to do it with me. Are you ready? Okay, what number do we start with? 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Oh, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Ooh, 2 plus 2 equals 4. More. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Again. Good job. Now this time, I'm not going to do it, but I want you to do it. Are you ready? Go. Good job! Good job, guys! So we can use doubles to help us solve some of our problems. Now, I'm going to give you a problem, and I want you to tell me if this is a doubles problem. Are you ready? If it's a doubles problem, thumbs up. If this is not a doubles problem, thumbs down. You ready? 4 plus 4. Good. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 6. Thumbs down. 4 plus 3. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 2. Now let's look at the problem 1 plus 2. This is a special problem because this is not a double. Does anybody know what this problem is called? This is a doubles plus 1. Because if you have 1 and you have 1 over on this side, that's your doubles. 1 plus 1 equals 2. That's the doubles fact. But if we add 1 more, it's a doubles plus 1. So I'm going to share a video with you that talks about doubles plus 1. I want you to pay close attention to this video, okay? While I'm bringing that up, I want you to think about a doubles fact. What is a doubles fact that you use? Oh, I clicked on the wrong one, guys.
1 plus 1 is 2.
No, I didn't.
2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8.
Hey, Oli, how you doing?
Oh, hey, Coach Mike, how you doing?
What's going on?
Well,
What are you doing?
I'm practicing my doubles, Coach Mike.
Oh. Keep going. Let me hear some
Oh,
more.
okay. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 7 is 14.
How about 4 plus 5?
Oh, sure, Coach Mike. 4 plus 5. Wait, Coach Mike.
Yeah.
That's not a double.
No, Oli, but that is a doubles plus one.
Doubles plus one?
Yeah.
Well, how does that work, Coach Mike?
Basically, you take your doubles, like 4 plus 4, and you add a 1 to one of the 4s.
Oh.
Hence, you get plus 1.
Oh. Well, what does that do to the answer, Coach Mike?
Well, you add 1.
Oh. Well, if 4 plus 4 is 8, then 4 plus 5 is 9?
Correct.
Oh.
You just did doubles plus 1.
I think I get it, Coach Mike.
Yeah. Why don't you want to try another one?
Sure, Coach Mike.
All right. How about, I don't know. I got it.
Okay.
5 plus 6.
Oh, well, 5 plus 5 is 10.
Yes.
So 5 plus 6 is 11.
That's correct, Oli. Good job.
Oh, thanks, Coach Mike.
Fantastic.
Now, I want us to look and I want us to practice this real quick. Let me make my video bigger. I want us to practice this real quick. 7 plus 7. We're not doing 7. I'm sorry. That's my fault. 5 plus 5 is 10 again. Okay? So, what does that mean 5 plus 6 equals? Let's look at that. 5 plus 5 is 10. I added 1 more right here. So what does that mean I'm going to do over here? Yeah, I'm going to add 1 more. So 5 plus 6 equals, good job, 11. Okay, now let's look at a different one. Let's use the number 3. What's my doubles fact for 3? 3 plus 3 equals 6 kicks. Now, if I do a doubles plus 1, I can say 3 plus, what's one more number than 3? 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 equals, ooh, that's not a doubles fact. How do I know that? What's one more, what's 1 more than 6? 7. We had to add 1 more because we added 1 more over here. So 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. Good job. Great job, guys. We're going to watch one more video that's going to help us understand doubles and doubles plus 1. Now, another name we can call doubles plus 1 is near doubles. So we're going to watch one more video. My internet's being a little bit slow, so bear with me on this.
And near doubles. Learning target. I can use doubles and near doubles to solve equations. What are doubles? Doubles are when we add the same numbers. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Do you see a pattern?
You know all these. Good job. We've learned all these over the last 2 weeks.
Pattern with these doubles? we add one more to each group. Do you see another pattern? The sum goes up by 2 each time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Which addition is a double?
Which addition is a doubles fact? Is it this one? Or is it this one? Let's see. Good job if you said that one.
Which addition is a double?
This side or that side? Good job if you said that.
Which addition is a double? If you know doubles,
Now, what were those other problems? We know that we had doubles, but on the other side, what was the other problem that they gave you? It was a doubles plus 1. They added one more into there.
facts, you can solve near doubles. For example, 3 plus 4, 4 is just 3 and 1 more. And if 3 plus 3 equals 6, 3 plus 4 equals 7. Solve the near double.
What's that near double?
3 is just 2 and 1 more. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Solve the near double. Solve the near double. Doubles and near doubles help us solve equations more quickly.
Great job, guys. You guys are learning how to do your doubles and you're learning how to become fluent in your addition facts. Right now, I'm going to take and we are going to go and end this lesson, okay? I'd like for you to open your agenda up because I'd still like for you to write in your agenda. In your agenda, you're going to write it's taking a while to load for some reason. Go ahead and open up your agenda to November 12th. In your agenda, I'd like for you to write lyrics to learn, extra math, and kids A to Z. I'd also like for you guys to finish your spelling test. Some of you still have not finished that spelling test that you were supposed to finish. This spelling test was supposed to be done the beginning of this week, guys. You're going to have to get on top of things and make sure you're completing everything that needs to be completed, okay? So I need some of you who have not done the spelling test to finish the spelling test. And everyone, I would like you guys, unless you have been notified of another way to do iStation, I'd like for you to go ahead and do iStation. The only people who shouldn't do iStation right now are Aubrey, Andrew and Sarah, Mia, Paola, and Derek. You guys are the only ones who do not need to do iStation, okay? Everyone else should have your information at home, and you should be able to do it. Okay, guys. I am going to go ahead and end this video. I'm sorry that we didn't get to Zoom this morning. I hate not being able to Zoom with you guys, but I'm glad I was able to send out a video to you. Please make sure you do the Nearpod and tell me what your favorite way to greet is while you're social distanced, okay? Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.